I love the way children rhymes keep us being what we ought to be. I remember when I was a child, there was this popular rhyme: tick tick says the clock. What you have to do, do quick. Another one says 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, 24 hours make 1 day. And it continues like that. These two rhymes are just trying to tell us the importance of how we spend our time. And if we have 24 hours in a day, how well do we utilize these 24 hours that we have? That's why it's very, very important for you to watch this video to the end. I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for your support, thanks for your love. I'm really, really grateful. Today, what do we want to consider? I want to talk about the 5 things you need to do that will keep you motivated every day. We may have so many things we want to do. We may have some purposes to fulfill. But if we don't have enough motivation, how are we going to bring these things to fulfillment? That's why I've come to talk to you about 5 secrets to staying motivated every day. The first thing, which I see as the most important thing to do for you to stay motivated, is for you to set smart goals. Set smart goals. I'm not saying you should just set goals. Of course, many people set goals, but those goals may not be smart. And what does this mean to you? What does smart mean to you? The first letter in the word smart is letter S, which means specific. Your goal must be specific. It must be something striking. You must be able to clearly state it. It must be clear that this is what I want to achieve. This is what I want to do. That's your intention. That's the exact action you want to carry out. Then the second letter is M, measurable. That is, your goal must be measurable. It must be something you can measure so that you'll be able to know if you have really progressed or not. So you'll be able to know if you have truly achieved your goal or not. So if you can't measure your goal, then it is not smart. Another one is achievable, which is letter A. The letter A is achievable. Is your goal achievable? Is it something that you can really carry out? Is it something that can really be done? For example, if I'm saying my goal for tomorrow is for me to wake up and win the whole world to my side, definitely this is impossible. It is not achievable. Then that goal is not smart. The next letter is letter R. That's the word relevant. How relevant is this goal to my purpose? How relevant is this goal to my life in the current state I am? For example, if a student should say, my goal for this year is for me to get a Bentley by the end of this year, 2025, is this goal really relevant to this person's phase in life? No, it is not relevant, because that particular thing he wants to achieve is not relevant to the phase he is currently in life. So your goal must be relevant. It must be something that must fit your current phase, or something that must make you fulfill your purpose and your current phase in life. Now, the last letter in the word smart is time bound. Your goal must be time bound. It must be one that can be measured over time. If you don't place time on your goals, then it will not be a smart goal. Imagine a person who wants to achieve something but does not have the limit, does not have the end of time for that particular thing to be achieved. The person will keep working without bringing anything forth at the end of the day. So your smart goal must have this T. It must be time bound. What am I saying in essence? For you to stay motivated every day, you must set smart goals. Write down the things you want to do every day. Between so time, I want to achieve this particular task. Make sure the task is specific. Make sure it is measurable. Make sure it is achievable. Make sure it is relevant. And make sure it is time bound, so that at the end of the day, you'll be able to evaluate how well you've been able to utilize your time. The second thing you need to do for you to keep being motivated on a daily basis is that you need to create a morning routine for yourself. When you wake up, what's the first thing you want to do? What is the next thing? And these things should be something you do constantly every day. For example, you can decide that I will be waking up 5 o'clock every morning. After waking up, I will be having a moment of meditation, which we call quiet time. Or you want to stay up, and after praying, after talking to God, you want to stay up, set your goals for that day, sit down and achieve something. If you are doing this consistently over time, it will become a habit, which will build up to help you to keep being motivated on a daily basis. The third thing that will also help you to stay being motivated is that you should focus on your why. Focus on the reason for that action you want to carry out. Focus on the reason behind that thing you want to achieve. Why do I want to do this? If you know the reason, if you know the factor that made you to decide on carrying out the action, you will not be tired. You will keep being motivated. Then you will see that your mind will produce steps and things that will make you achieve that particular goal. Now, the fourth thing that will help you is that you need to stay within your support system. Surround yourself with great support. It could be a person, or a podcast you need to listen to, or a favorite TV show that you know will help you to keep achieving what you want to achieve. It could be a book that you have been reading, or you know that this particular book do help me to do this, to do that whenever I pick it up. Support yourself with great minds. Support yourself with mentors, people that will help you to continue to achieve success. It can even be a message. It can be something you know that when you listen to it, it helps you to always want to do more. It helps you to always want to become better. So whatever it is that is your support system, make sure that that support system is not far from you. Keep your support system around you every day. And now, the fifth secret, which is also very, very important, is this: be flexible. Don't bite yourself, and don't be hard on yourself. Sometimes you may not be able to achieve what you intend to achieve due to some unforeseen circumstances, or due to some external forces, due to the fact that maybe some people that should help refuse to help, or one thing or the other may just come to hinder you from succeeding. Don't allow this to drop your morale. Don't allow this to make you feel weak. Instead, remember that success is something you can achieve even after a long time of failure. So just always be flexible. Don't be hard on yourself. You can talk to yourself and say, girl, Eunice, you have really tried. At least you made an attempt. It's time for you to do it another way. Say things to yourself that will make you to be encouraged when you have a roadblock or a hindrance. Don't make yourself feel down. Don't look down on yourself. Be flexible and know that very soon, every day, you will keep achieving your goals and you will see yourself successful. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I must surely remind you, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let someone see this video and they'll be happy with you for sharing it with them. Like, comment. I will be expecting your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till I come your way next time. Bye. Remain motivated.